Okay, we've got some breaking news coming in now here on India Today. The Ministry of External Affairs has summoned the Canadian High Commissioner over comments of Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau on the farmers' protests in India. India's External Affairs Ministry has said comments by the Canadian Prime Minister on issues relating to Indian farmers constitute an unacceptable interference in our internal affairs. These comments have encouraged gatherings of extremist activities in front of our High Commission and consulates in Canada that raise issues of safety and security. We expect the Canadian government to ensure the fullest security of Indian diplomatic personnel and its political leaders, to refrain from pronouncements that legitimize extremist activism. Remember, Prime Minister Trudeau of Canada had said news coming from India about the protest by farmers is concerning. Of course, Justin Trudeau has a Khalistani vote bank, a section of his citizenry to pander to and curry favor with, because he is, after all, a politician in a democracy. So he has to curry favor with them. But he has certainly rubbed India the wrong way. He's perhaps mistaken India for a country that will sit down and not take notice of a country like Canada. A country like Canada saying something like this about India. I want to go across to India Today's Foreign Affairs editor, Geeta Mohan. Geeta, the process has begun to turn against Justin Trudeau. India not taking this comment, not willing to brush it under the carpet. They've summoned the Canadian envoy.
Well, that's right. Not only summoned the Canadian High Commissioner, but also, Shiv, in many ways, India has told Canada that the statements made by not just the Canadian Prime Minister, but the entire leadership of Canada was ill-informed and baseless. The Canadian government should have found out about the farm bills and then spoken about the protests that are taking place in India, even if they wanted to comment. Having said that, they also said that it's an internal matter and Canada should not be interfering. And like you rightly pointed out, it has given a lot of weightage to how Canada is looking at and how Canadians look at the entire issue in Canada. We know that the Indian High Commission in Canada has always been vulnerable to protest and violence when it comes to Khalistani elements in Canada, and that is what has been witnessed even now. There were protests that were held outside the Indian High Commission in Canada, and that's why the protest has been lodged, saying that the Canadian Prime Minister, none other than the Canadian Prime Minister Shiv Arur, has encouraged such elements to really come out and protest and show their kind of support in the kind of protests that are taking place in India, and absolutely ill-informed comment made by the Canadian Prime Minister.
Well, absolutely. I mean, if any harm comes to Indian diplomats in Canada on the back of what an irresponsible Canadian Prime Minister has made in this comment, it's going to be on the Canadian Prime Minister's hands. That's the message that India has put out to Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau for that very, very lame currying favor remark that he made about the farmer protests.